Welcome back to the HUD, everyone. I'm Zacharoni, and last time I prevented security brutality.
Oh, whoa! Hey, lay off that guy!
Witness a technical problem.
Whoa. Okay, everything looks a bit blurry.
And defeated the warden who took a piece of me at the end.
What the? Ah! Not her arm!
Now we shall continue where we left off. And if you haven't seen the first part, go and watch that first and come back here later. But those who have, please be seated, and here are the leftovers of the Dishwasher. Vampire Smile Part 2.
See here. This nightmare again. What keeps bringing me here? Who is taking over my body when I'm here? Footsteps. Wait, is she implying to me? Am I not alone? Who knows? Maybe I'm watching you. Whoa. Oh, that's creepy. Whoa. So far, good impression. Who continue the story? Oh, I can decide who to go on next. Well, let's continue with the prisoner, shall we? Bring out the prisoner. Awake. Whoa, is that a chainsaw attached to her arm? Cat? Oh, that's cute. Paki. Paka. Paka. Is that how you pronounce it? Paka? Really? I'm not sure if it's supposed to be like that. You got a... Okay, what am I gonna saw? Okay, I'm not sure if it's supposed to be like this or anything, but... The wealth of the moon. Uh-huh. Everything is going out so fast, I don't think I can keep up reading it. Ah, things are better again. Oh, really? Oh, have I got money? Yeah, I have, but I don't have enough. So I guess we'll just have to keep moving. I can't wait to test the chainsaw out. Whoop! Oh dear. Whoop. Oh, whoa. Ooh. Oh, oh dear. That was unexpected. Let's try that again. Take two, everybody. Take two. Oops. Oh, man. Oh my gosh. Oh, come on. Man, this is hard. Oh. Oh. That's it. That's it. Tear them to pieces. He's a prisoner. Ooh. That's better. See who you're dealing with when you tick me off? Well, you know who you're dealing with. Become a co today. Uh-huh. And what is a co? You know what, why don't we have a look down here? I always go by where the arrow want me to go. Really? Is this supposed to happen? This is just weird. Beat a birthday present up, and you get a cloud sword. Yeah, I wonder if the graphics had something to do with this. Let me just... Or maybe that's how the game wants me to... game it experience. Let me just check. Yeah, I think it looks fine. I think that's how the game wants it to play. Oh. Finally, something more powerful. Did I get... Ooh. I guess if I carried a heavier weapon, it slows me down and my jumping. So I want to go with the Cloud Tamer, well, Cloud Sword. Oh my. Oh, I might call it the Cloud Buster. Kind of like the music, though. Oh, what's this? That looks like a timer. Oh. Get this. And my reward? Bread. Huh. Moon bread. Guess it want me to go down? Oh, so I need to have the right weapon to... Oh. I didn't know you can do that. Oh, there it goes again.
Really, is the game designed to be like this?
Oh boy. Growth face. That look hideous. I gotta destroy that thing before it popped up more. Get off me. Come on, die already. Oh. I wanted to die, and I said die. Oh. Already? I didn't really explore everywhere yet. Let's continue. Like we're in the next area.
Okay, that's the end of part 2. Check back with me later for part 3 throughout October as I clean up the mess in the dishwasher. And if you like what you see, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. But until then, I'm Zacharoni. Enjoy your pizza, and I'll see you next time.